Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll discuss about how to find out a rate table usage in the rate routine as well as a rate routine usage in the rate tables. When you joined in any of the project newly, right, you are not sure whether a rate table is used in which all the rate routines as well as whether this rate routine is present in which all the rate books. So today we will discuss about how to find out the usage. You are not aware of that, okay, through Gosu scripts. Even we can utilize for SQL also, but this is H2, right? It's very difficult to write a script through H2. So what I did, I have written few Gosu scripts. Based on that, I will show you. Okay. For this, what I will do, go to administration, rating, rate tables, click on search. Okay. Let's suppose you want to know where and all this rate table is being used, which rate routines it is being used. You want to know what are the rate routines. You got a requirement by saying, okay, this accident point factor you have to change in all the routines by adding one more new column as a input or else one more factor as output. In that cases, right, you are not sure if you join newly which all the rate routines they are utilizing. Okay, in that case, this will be used. Let me go to the studio. So what I did, I have created one package called Gosu scripts out of here, right? I have created a class. In this class, I have created couple of methods. I think if you give control F12, yeah. So these are the methods I have created: deleting the rate books, deleting the not used rate routines, finding in scope value, rate routine usage and rate table usage in the rate routines. Today we'll learn about these two, okay? And then in the upcoming videos, right, we'll learn about finding in scope as well. Now let's concentrate on this one. Rate table usage in the rate routine. What we are doing, why we are querying a rate table definition. From there, we are comparing with the rate table code, and then we are returning all the rate routine codes. This one we can write in the Gosu Scratchpad also. So instead of doing in the Gosu Scratchpad, I have created as a method. What I will do, I'll go to the Gosu Scratchpad. I'll call this method from there. So let me delete this, where rating is equal to new of rating. We'll create an object, yes, which is there in the Gosu scripts. Now where rate table usage, rating dot rate table usage. Here we need to pass rate table code. If we go and see, right, it is expecting a rate table code. So let me go to not this. Okay, sorry. So this one. And what you need to pass, name, code or description. Again go back to studio and compare. What we are comparing? We are comparing with the table code. So just pass table code. I'll pass this accident points. Go to Scratchpad. Let's pause here. Then what I will do, first I'll print the count of this rate table usage, so that we will be aware of it whether we are utilizing or not. Also sometimes we'll have rate tables but we may not be utilizing it. Okay, sorry. And then if it has elements, rate table usage dot each, let's print that code. That's it. Okay, now let's go desktop. Okay, I just cleared the log and run this. Yes, we can see this rate table is being utilized in two rate routines. One is this medical payment, one is rental reimbursement. Let's go and verify once. So we are referring accident points. Yes, we can see accident point factors. Okay, let's go and see for other as well. Rental reimbursement. Yes. Yes, we can see accident point factors. And apart from that, we are nowhere using this rate table. So like this, we can find out the usage of a rate table in a rate routines. Okay. Let's suppose you want to know the version also. Okay. In that case, what we need to do, in this case, we will not be able to call this method because here we are doing only code, right? What I will do, I'll copy this one and paste over here only. Okay. Okay, let's import by clicking Alt Enter, import class. Ours is API database, done. Okay, reloop also, let's import it. Okay, now what I will do, plus ELT dot version. So instead of calling this, just call the current method. Now run it. Yes, we got now three because earlier we were just printing only rate routine codes, right? So if we see, I am utilizing tree set. Tree set, it will not allow duplicates because I was just adding code, right? It was duplicate for the second one. Now we are going with respect to version also. We can see first version as well as second version and medical payments first version we are utilizing. In this way, we can find out the code as well as version. And if you guys want to this Gosu Scratchpad snippet, right? This code, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll keep it in the blogger and share that link. Then let's go back to the next step. You want to identify this rate routine usage in the rate book. If I go to here, this rental reimbursement, which and all rate routine it is being called. Okay, where and all we are utilizing it. This one we have to know. In this case, what we can do, I have created a Gosu scripts for this as well. Rate routine usage in the rate book. Okay, let's call this one over there. What I will do, we'll call the same here. Okay, you got this. Let me remove this. And then we got this ELT as a rate routine, right? What I will do for this rating dot rate routine usage in the rate book. Here the input will be rate routine code. Hope you guys are following with me. Rate routine codes. Sorry, this is rate table. Rate books. Sorry, my bad. Completely my bad. Okay. Let's print this rate books count now. Dot count. If we have elements, then print it. Otherwise, if we are trying to print right, sometimes this dot each will keep on throwing the null pointer exception. That's why we must have to keep this has elements or else empty. Has elements will give whether it has a elements or not. Even we have another function called empty, but this empty should be not because in case of empty, what is the use? It should be not empty. Ratebooks dot each. So we are already using ELT. So let me change it to ELT1. Print ELT1. Okay. Now run it. Yes, this is being used to two places and rate books count. It's coming twice here. I think we have two rate routines, right? That is the reason. Let me do one more thing. Calling print rate routine code ELT. Yes. Now let's run it. Yes, this medical payment we are not utilizing, but this rental reimbursement we are utilizing. In this way, we can find out the usage. Okay. If we go and see the code also, what we will be doing, we are querying calc routine definition and comparing with the rate routine code, and then I'm adding book name and book edition because we'll have plenty of editions, right? So let's go and verify manually as well. Sorry. Okay, yeah, up to rate routines, rate books. got it as personal auto line. How many rate books are there? Okay, let's go and see. This is countrywide 1 and 2. Going to the second version, include retro tins. Yes, we can see rental reimbursement here, and this is being used, but we don't see medical payments. Let me go up to rate books. I don't see medical payments here also. If we go rate routines, right? So we can see this delete button is enabled. Simply if this delete button is enabled, right, this is being used either in draft or else it is not at all used. Same thing we can verify for medical payments as well. Yeah, this delete button is enabled. That means either it should be in the draft rate book or else it is not being used. Let me try with the draft. Okay, not specified and status should be draft. Do we have anything? Yeah, we have two. Let's verify. These are the demo ratings. So yeah, here also we don't have it. Let me go and see in the first one. Yeah, we don't have any routines itself here. So we can say, so this is not nowhere it is being used. Okay, this is only we are using. In this way, we can identify. Even with respect to you want to check the version, right? Rate routine version. You can have one more check over here, dot compare. One more compare you can add with respect to addition. You can utilize it. So this is how we can identify rate table usage in the routine, rate routine usage in the rate book. So this we can utilize especially when we are working in the SBT products, right? We are not at all sure where and all it is being used. Even though if you are working on multiple times or else multiple more years also, right? It's very difficult to identify rate table usages, rate routine usages in the rate book. So these queries will help us a lot. If you want, you can ask in the comment section. I'll keep it in Blogger and share it. And then in the next video, what we will see this finding in scope value usage. Okay, this complete concept we will learn in the next video. Same this one also, this will be utilized in the SBT products or else normal products as well. Yeah, we'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Let's meet in the next video.